For your help, I place all the product links in the description.
Number 5.
Hey friends, if you've ever wanted one kitchen gadget that does it all, pressure cook, slow cook, saute, and even keep your food warm, then you're going to love what I'm about to show you. Today I'm reviewing the 𝐕𝐢𝐻 Dream Cooker, a 6-quart multi-cooker that's designed not just to save time, but also to look great on your countertop. So what makes this multi-cooker special? First, it's fast and versatile. With pressure cooking, it cooks up to 80% faster than traditional methods. Perfect for those nights when you just don't have the energy to wait hours for dinner. It's toxin-free with a non-stick coating, which means no more endlessly scrubbing pots. I personally love this because after cooking a big meal, the last thing I want to do is fight with stuck-on food. The hands-free steam release is a game changer. You don't have to hover over it, it handles it safely for you. And with 9 built-in safety features, you can cook with peace of mind. Finally, the control panel is simple and uncluttered. No confusing presets, just set your time, temperature, and mode. Straightforward and stress-free. Let me walk you through how I used it the first time. I made a pot of chili. All I had to do was sear the onions and meat right in the Dream Cooker using the sauté mode, then add in beans, spices, and broth. After that, I switched over to pressure cook. In less than 40 minutes, I had a rich, flavorful chili that normally takes me 2 to 3 hours. But let's not forget, it's not just about function, it's about style too. The Dream Cooker is designed to live on your countertop. The blue salt finish looks modern and classy, almost like a piece of kitchen decor. This is one of the first cookers I've actually been happy to display instead of hiding away in a cabinet. So if you're looking for a multi-cooker that's reliable, easy to use, safe, and honestly a lifesaver for busy households, the 𝐕𝐢𝐻 Dream Cooker is worth every penny. It's backed by the trusted 𝐕𝐢𝐻 brand, and thousands of people are already making their cooking faster and easier with it. If this sounds like the upgrade your kitchen needs, check out the link in the description to grab yours today. Trust me, once you start using it, you won't want to go back to your old pots and pans.
Number 4.
Have you ever wished you could just walk away while dinner cooks itself? That's exactly what the 𝐈𝐻 13-in-1 programmable multi-cooker feels like. With its 4-quart capacity, it's perfect for small families or anyone who wants to save time without juggling multiple pots. I tried using a similar model for a weeknight dinner, and being able to focus on other tasks while it cooked a stew perfectly was a real time saver. Key design and build. The cooker has a glossy black finish with stainless steel construction, which makes it durable and easy to clean. It's lightweight at 1 pound, and the dimensions are 13 inches D by 19 inches wide by 15 inches high, which means it won't take up too much counter space. The touch controls are intuitive. I found navigating the settings easy even on my first try. Cooking technology. The 360-degree induction heating system is a game changer. Unlike standard cookers that heat only from the bottom, this system distributes heat evenly across the pot, which matters when cooking rice or soups. With 1,000 watts of power, it handles slow cooking, pressure cooking, and even searing efficiently. For my own use, I noticed meals cooked faster and more evenly compared to traditional stovetop methods. Versatility. 13-in-1 functions. This multi-cooker does much more than slow cook. With 13 programmable functions, including sauté, steam, rice, yogurt, and more, it can replace several kitchen appliances. I personally tested rice and sauté functions back-to-back, and switching between modes was smooth, which made meal prep easier. User convenience. The voice alerts are more helpful than I expected. They let you know when a cycle ends, preventing overcooked meals. The keep warm function is also practical, especially on busy evenings when dinner isn't ready at the exact same time. Plus, the included recipe book is a good starting point if you're trying out different functions for the first time. Performance in real use. In everyday cooking, the 4-quart size works well for soups, curries, or a small roast with vegetables. For my own trial, cleanup was quick thanks to the stainless steel pot. The even heating meant meals came out consistently, without me needing to check constantly. Conclusion. The 𝐈𝐻 13-in-1 programmable 4-quart multi-cooker combines durable stainless steel with even heating, touch controls, and helpful features like voice alerts. From my experience, it's a practical choice for small families or anyone looking for a single appliance that handles multiple cooking tasks.
Number 3.
Stop wasting time in the kitchen. One appliance does it all. The Instant Pot Pro 10-in-1 pressure cooker isn't just another kitchen gadget, it's 10 appliances packed into one smart machine. Pressure cook, slow cook,
Steam, sauté, sous vide, make yogurt, cook rice and grains, bake, sterilize, or simply keep your food warm. Imagine clearing your countertop and still having every cooking method at your fingertips. Cook smarter, not harder. Dinner doesn't need to take all night. This cooker preheats 20% faster and cooks up to 70% quicker than slow cooking methods. Perfect for busy families or anyone who wants real food without spending hours in the kitchen. Big enough for the family. With a 6-quart capacity, it serves up to 6 portions. That means family dinners, meal prep for the week, or even a potluck dish, all handled with ease. Simple controls, reliable results. No guesswork, no stress. With 28 customizable smart programs, just press a button and let the cooker handle rice, soups, stews, or even sous vide like a pro. Safety first. Worried about steam release? This model includes a gentle steam release switch and diffusing cover, so you can release steam safely and quietly without the scary bursts you might remember from old-school pressure cookers. Cleanup made easy. No more arguing about dishes. Both the lid and inner pot are dishwasher safe, making cleanup a 2-minute job. Built for everyday use. Powered at 1200 watts and UL and ULC listed, it's designed for performance and safety. You can count on it day after day. Endless meal ideas at your fingertips. Stuck for inspiration? The Instant Pot app includes over 800 recipes, helping you find quick dinners, meal prep plans, and creative ways to use all 10.
Number 2.
Stop guessing in the kitchen. Cook perfect meals every time with this smart cooker. The 𝐕𝐢𝐬𝐭 Smart Pressure Cooker with Wi-Fi and built-in scale is designed for anyone who wants stress-free, precise cooking. This 10-in-1 multi-cooker handles pressure cooking, slow cooking, rice, steaming, sautéing, and more, all in a 6-quart family-size pot. I tried making a 1-pot chicken and rice dinner, and everything came out perfectly cooked, juicy, and flavorful without me hovering over the stove. Smart App Connectivity. Connect via Wi-Fi and Bluetooth to the 𝐕𝐢𝐬𝐭 app and access hundreds of guided recipes and video tutorials. I love starting a recipe remotely on my phone while finishing prep elsewhere in the kitchen. The app sends exact cooking settings directly to the cooker, so you get perfect results even on complex dishes like risotto or hearty stews. Built-in scale for precision. The built-in scale measures ingredients by weight, removing the need for separate measuring cups. I tested it with a pasta dish, and the cooker calculated the exact water needed, no overcooked noodles. This makes prep cleaner and ensures consistently great results. Safer pressure cooking. Safety is simple with auto pressure release, offering quick, pulse, or natural release depending on your recipe. I tried the quick release for a stew recently, and it felt so much safer and easier compared to traditional pressure cookers. Guided cooking made easy. Step-by-step video instructions guide you through recipes. Following a steamed vegetable recipe was effortless. I didn't need to guess timing or temperatures. Even beginners can cook confidently with these guided recipes. Always improving. The cooker receives wireless updates via the app, adding new features and improving cooking algorithms over time. Your appliance stays up to date and performs better with every update. Accessories and extras. Includes a steamer rack and basket. I use the rack for whole chicken or fish and the basket for chopped vegetables or dumplings, making it easy to cook multiple items at once without extra dishes. Conclusion. The 𝐕𝐢𝐬𝐭 Smart Pressure Cooker isn't just a pressure cooker, it's a smart kitchen companion. With guided recipes, weight-based precision, and remote control via the app, it takes the guesswork out of cooking. From my experience, it makes meals faster, safer, and more consistent,
perfect for busy families or food lovers who want reliable results every time.
Number 1.
Tired of juggling multiple kitchen appliances for everyday meals? The Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 Mini Electric Pressure Cooker packs everything you need into one compact 3-quart powerhouse. With 7 functions in a single unit, it takes the stress out of cooking and makes mealtime easier, faster, and more consistent. This small but capable cooker lets you pressure cook, slow cook, sauté, steam, make rice, whip up yogurt, or simply keep food warm, all with one appliance. Thanks to 11 one-touch smart programs, you can prepare staples like rice, beans, soups, and even cakes with minimal effort. Speed is one of its biggest advantages. Compared to traditional cooking, the Instant Pot Duo Mini prepares meals up to 70% faster. That means dinner can go from ingredients to ready to serve in less than half the time. For example, beans that normally take hours can be cooked in under an hour, and rice comes out fluffy without needing constant attention. Built with durability in mind, the stainless steel inner pot is crafted from 18/8 food-grade steel with a tri-ply bottom. This ensures even heat distribution, making it excellent for searing or sautéing before pressure cooking. Plus, both the inner pot and lid are dishwasher safe, so cleanup is just as easy as the cooking process. Safety is another strong point. With more than 10 built-in safety mechanisms, including overheat protection and a secure lid lock, you can cook with confidence. The cooker operates at 700 watts, 120V 60 Hz, and is UL and ULC listed, giving users proven reliability and peace of mind. To expand your cooking options, it comes with a stainless steel steamer rack for vegetables, fish, or other foods that need elevation. You also get access to a free app offering over 1,900 recipes, perfect for both beginners looking for step-by-step guidance and experienced home cooks ready to try something new. Compact yet versatile, the Instant Pot Duo Mini is perfect for small households, side dishes, or anyone who wants an all-in-one solution without cluttering their counter space. From weekday dinners to weekend experiments, this appliance delivers consistent results every time.